Hello guys, so today we'll be seeing a new program. So in this video we'll be doing a program for swapping values of two variables. Okay, so let's say there is a variable A and there is another variable B. Now we want to swap those values from B to A and A to B. But the condition is like we cannot use a third variable like temporary variable, which is to make it a bit complex. So without using the third variable, we need to do that. So how can we achieve it through Java? So let's do that. Okay, so let's understand what we are trying to do here. First, through this here, like integer a equals to 50 and integer b equals to 70. So let's say these two variables I have, which is having these values 50 and 70. Now what I want, like let's say I'm printing here sys out a plus v. So let's, if I run it now, it will show me 50 and 70, right? Now what I want to do some operation after this. Okay, here we'll write some code, and this part, this 11 and 10, probably 2 lines. And then what I want, like the second line here, it should be 70 and 50. A should be 70 and B should be 50. That is my goal. So how can we do it? So one thing you may be expecting, like what if I do it A equals to B and then something like that, B equals to A, and this is very maybe it's something like that. If we do, what is happening, let's see. So okay, did you do anything wrong? Coverage of application. Okay, so okay, so as you can see, if I run it now, we are getting 50 and 70 and 70 and 70, because this is not working, this logic is not working, because we are just assigning the value of B to A, so which is 70 to 50 A, and then B to B equals to A, and then again from the A value, which is currently 70, I'm putting it into B. Okay, so this is both A and B is currently holding 70 70, which is not correct, which is not our goal. So what is another way to do it? So let's say I'm doing, let's say A equals to A plus B. Okay, now A plus B, when I'm doing A equals to A plus B, that means A is holding A plus B equals to 120, right? But what I want in A is 70. So what I need to do, I need to minus uh, okay, so minus B. So if I'm doing minus B equals to A, so now what is happening here? So A plus B is containing 120 minus B equals to A, and we are assigning the value of B with A. So currently the value of A is 50 and we are giving it to B, which is holding 70. But after assigning B equals to A, B will become 50, right here. So B is 50. So A plus B equals to 120. 120 minus 50 equals to 70. So A is now 70. So that is why I want. But after this operation, B also will become 50 because we are assigning here, right? So this single line will do the trick. We'll assign A to 70 and B to 50, right? So save it, and now if I execute it, I can see my goal is achieved. So I'm seeing the value 50 and 70 and 70 and 50, right? So let's see some different thing, I mean, just to check whether it's working correctly or not. So I'm taking two negative number and now I'm running it. See, okay, so we're getting the swapped values. 7 minus 70 minus 50. Let's say this is plus 70, means this is positive and that is negative. Is this working there as well? Mm-hmm. Yep, it getting swapped correctly. So that is my goal. And let's say I'm making 0 and 1. And is this working? Yeah, this is also working. So probably, I mean, I just tested our code with different types of values, so it's working. And thank you for watching. If you have any question, please let me know.